Hello everyone and welcome to your channel IELTS Perfection.
Today, I'm giving you a one-week speaking plan that actually works. No magic, no motivation speeches, just a smart system used by Band 8 and Band 9 candidates. You won't need more than 60 to 90 minutes a day. Let's get started. Before the plan, you need one truth. The IELTS examiner is not listening for perfect grammar. They are listening for signals. Signal of confidence, control, natural thinking, and flexibility with language. Let's start with day 1. Build your safe answers. Most students fail speaking because they try to invent answers in real time. Band 9 speakers don't do that. They reuse flexible answers. Today, you build 5 safe topics. Your hometown, your job or studies, free time, technology, and a memorable experience. For each topic, prepare one strong answer of about 30 to 40 seconds. For example,
I'd say my hometown is fairly quiet, but that's actually what I like about it. It's not overcrowded and life feels more balanced there. People tend to know each other, which creates a strong sense of community.
no fancy words, just clear structure plus calm delivery. Day 2. Structure is your secret weapon. Examiners love structure because structure sounds intelligent. Today, you learn 3 speaking frames. Frame 1, past, present, opinion. Frame 2, reason, example, and result. And frame 3, contrast. Let's see an example for it.
Although many people prefer living in big cities, I actually enjoy smaller places because life feels less stressful and more predictable.
So the task for day 2 is take 10 random part 1 questions and answer each one using one frame only. Day 3. Fluency is not speed. This day changes everything. Fluency is controlled pauses, not fast talking. Band 9 speakers pause naturally, stretch ideas, and never rush. Your task in the 3rd day is speaking slowly, pause after connectors, and record and check. Do I sound calm?
I really enjoy music. It helps me unwind after long days, especially when I'm feeling mentally tired.
Day 4. Vocabulary that actually works. First of all, forget all rare words. Examiners prefer natural collocations. So, instead of very good, you can say worked really well. Instead of very important, you can say plays a key role. And instead of very tired, you can say mentally exhausted.
Technology plays a key role in our daily lives, especially when it comes to communication.
The task for day 4 is to create 10 upgrade pairs, simple and natural, and try to use them in full sentences, not isolation. Day 5 is for part 2, the 4-box method. You just need to divide your answers into 4 boxes: introduction, background, main story, and reflection. For example, if the topic is describe a person who inspired you, you can start this way. So, in this day, practice 2 cue cards, time yourself, and aim for 1 minute and 45 seconds, not perfection. Day 6. Think out loud. Band 9 speakers don't hide thinking. They show it. For example,
That's an interesting question. I haven't really thought about it before, but I'd probably say,
this helps you buy time and sound natural. So in day 6, you practice 10 part 3 questions and start every answer with a thinking phrase. And day 7, mock plus mindset reset. Do a full mock test, no stopping, no restarting. Then remind yourself, the examiner is not your enemy. They want to give you a higher score if you give them a reason. You are not judged on ideas. You are judged on how comfortably you express them. Keep studying hard, and I'll see you in the next video.